Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Disha and I am going to read and only read for you all guys almost all the chapters of 9th ICSE. So let's begin. So today, let's continue reading our chapter Landforms of the Earth from Block Mountains. Block Mountains. The forces of faulting, also known as experigenic forces, lead to the formation of block mountains. Due to tensional force, cracks or faults may occur on the Earth's crust. If two parallel faults occur, the land in between subsides to form a rift valley. If a block rises to form a host or a block mountain. The block mountain which are flattened summits are called host mountains. Those which have tilted summits have one side steep and other side very gentle. Block mountains are often separated by intervening basins called graben. If there are two parallel faults, the valley floor may sink and a rift valley may be formed. The most extensive system being the African Rift Valley. Examples of rock mountains are the Vosges and the Black Forest Mountain in Europe, Salt Range of Pakistan and Sierra Nevada Mountain of California, USA are other examples of block mountain. Plateaus. Plateau is defined as an area of high ground 400 feet and above the ground level. These uplands have steep slope on one side. The upper part is generally flat and is called tableland. Plateaus are also classified in several ways. In the case of mountains, we have used the criteria of the mode of formation. We will use the same criteria in the case of plateaus. Intermontane plateau. These are the highest and the most extensive types on the globe. The plateaus surrounded by hills and mountains on all the sides are called intermontane plateau. They are formed along with fold mountains. The Tibetan Plateau is the world's highest as well as the most extensive intermontane plateau. Other examples are Colombian Plateau, North American Colorado, Bolivian Plateau, Peruvian and Mexican plateaus. Volcanic plateaus. They are formed by numerous volcanic eruptions that slowly build up over time, forming a plateau. The plateau of Peninsula, India, especially the northwestern Deccan, is an example of lava plateau. Other examples are South African Plateau, Colombian Plateau and Ethiopian Plateau. The Peninsula Plateau of India has an enormous accumulation of basaltic rock. The Colombian Plateau has about 20 layers of lava, suggesting that 20 different volcanic eruptions have formed this plateau. Plains. A plain is defined as an extensive area, lowland, with a level of a gently undulating surface. The formation of plains is one of the most intriguing landform development process on the surface of the earth. There are seemingly endless variations in plain. They are also an imprint of past and present processes. For example, a sudden heavy downpour may wash away a standing landform to fill up a depression to form a plain. A plain is seldom formed by a single process. However, three types of plain can be distinguished: structural planes, erosional planes, and depositional planes. Structural planes. These planes are formed due to uplift of subsidence of land. The hydrostrophic forces may cause uplift of a portion of land beneath the ocean water or may cause submergence of the coastal land under ocean water. The Great Plains of the USA are formed due to uplift of land submerged underwater. The Great Plains are surrounded by Mississippi, Missouri plains in the east and the Rockies in the west. The fact that they were submerged under the water is responsible for the existence of many lakes in the vast lowland. Gulf Coast is another example of an immersed coastal plain. On the other hand, the Coromandel plains in India are the result of mild subsidence followed by sedimentation. Thus, the forces of structural development as well as deposition were active in the formation of these plains. Depositional planes. These planes are formed by the deposition of materials which have been brought by various agents of transportation. River deposition. The most widespread of these are alluvial plains like the northern plains of India, the flood plains like the Mississippi plains in the USA, deltaic plains in Egypt and India. At the foothills of the mountains are formed Piedmont alluvial plains. The foot plains described above are also alluvial plains. They are found along the rivers like the Ganga, Yangtze, Mekong, Salween, etc., and are regarded as granaries of the world. In India, food plains are divided into Khadar plains, new deposit made every year, and Bengal, old deposits not renewed every year. Wind deposition. Most such plains are sandy desert like the Sahara in Africa and the Thar Desert in India. They have irregular and undulating surface made by existing of sand dunes and hollows loose plains in China are formed from desert. Marine deposition. These plains are found in coastal regions. Example are in the east coast of India, the estuarine bank. In the northern Netherlands, coast of the Germany and Denmark, we find polders and dikes. A polder is a piece of land reclaimed from the sea or lake. The submerged land is surrounded by an embankment and drained by pumping water into canals. So importance of landforms I am not going to read because it is cancelled by my school. So please do like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.